What if Foley's next big move, quantum sound effects, could change your movie experience forever? Harnessing quantum sound effects to provide immersive audio for everyone. It's not just about audio. Imagine a world with heightened movie magic. How will it reshape our future? Movies never silent, scenes forever alive. The possibilities of Foley sound are limitless. But immersive sound has risks. What happens if this audio is misused? The promise of Foley sound is immense, yet so are its challenges. Join us as we delve deeper into the art of Foley. What's your view on this?